Coronavirus cases in India have surpassed 31,000 and deaths have crossed the 1,000 mark. With 73 fatalities in the last 24 hours, the country recorded the biggest spike in daily death toll. A CRPF battalion in capital, New Delhi, reported 47 COVID-19 cases, including one personnel who died yesterday. The entire 31st battalion, comprising nearly of 1,000 personnel, has been quarantined with over 9,300 cases. Maharashtra, however, continues to remain the worst hit state in India. The Town Planning Authority of the state capital, Mumbai, is now turning the exhibition ground at the Bandra Kurla Business District into a hospital for non-critical COVID-19 patients. Out of the 1,000 beds at the hospital, 500 will have oxygen support. The construction of the facility is expected to be completed in 15 to 20 days. Meanwhile, the financial capital of India, that is Mumbai, has become the biggest hotspot of the novel coronavirus in the country. Mumbai alone has more than 5,500 COVID-19 cases out of close to 32,000 cases that have been reported in India. 24% of all the deaths in India have occurred in Mumbai. Mumbai also accounts for about 27% of the total cases in the country. Every seventh case of COVID-19 in India is coming from Mumbai, and every fourth death in India is also happening in Mumbai. This trajectory seems all too familiar compared to another city that has become a COVID-19 epicenter in the world, and that city is New York. Mumbai currently has a mortality rate of 3.9%, which is higher than India's average mortality rate, which stands at 3.2%. New York has a mortality rate far higher at 7.7%, significantly higher than the US mortality rate, which stands at 5.6%. So the question is, why has Mumbai become a hotspot for the virus in India? The answer to that question lies in its similarities with New York. Mumbai, like New York in the United States of America, is one of the most densely populated cities in India. 73,000 people reside in Mumbai per square mile. In New York City, there are 28,000 people per square mile. Mumbai is the financial capital of India, just like New York City is for the United States of America. Both cities are melting pots of people from all across the country. The cosmopolitan nature of the two cities attracts people of different races, cultures, and economic backgrounds. Mumbai is also home to the entertainment industry, which once again brings people from across the country. New York, too, is the cultural hub of the United States of America. It is the home to Broadway, arts, and museums. Both are major tourist destinations. New York sees a footfall of about 60 million tourists every year. Mumbai, too, hosts close to 10 million tourists per year. Another aspect of why COVID-19 has had the worst outbreak in the two cities is because both New York and Mumbai are heavily dependent on their public transportation for commuting. More than 8 million people ride the Mumbai local trains every day. New York, too, sees about 5 million people ride the subways on a daily basis. New York reported its first coronavirus death on the 11th of March, and incidentally, Mumbai reported its first case on the very same day. Mumbai's first death, however, took place on the 17th of March. According to experts, Mumbai could be 29 days behind New York if trajectories are to be believed. New York City, of course, has had a far bigger outbreak, more than 160,000 COVID-19 cases and more than 12,200 deaths. The COVID-19 challenge for Mumbai is at a crucial stage, and any lapses on part of the authorities or the citizens of the city could see Mumbai become a massive breeding ground for the virus that has now claimed more than 200,000 or more than 2 lakh deaths across the world.